this little beauty right behind me is my 1967 Morris Minor, which you guys won't have seen for probably the last year, I think. May have been the last time I took this thing out. Now I have started it once in the last few months, and it did start. I want to see if this starts. I've got a load of plans and stuff I want to do with it this year. I actually want to use it. I have a key. Has it got any electricity in it? Yes, it does. Fuel pump's running and stopping, which means it's got pressure, bit of choke, and it's got good battery. Okay, maybe a bit more choke. Oh, wow, she runs. Sounding all right. Got a bit of throttle. Right, we'll turn her off just for the moment because it's going to fill my garage up with smoke. Right, so we've got power. Okay, let's start her up and see if we've got brakes. Yeah, we have brakes. We've got power and brakes. Now what we don't have is steering. There we go. Oh. I noticed this the last time I tried to drive the car. The steering is incredibly heavy, but once it moves, it's okay. So I think what I'm going to do is put the midget back in the garage and take it for a spin, make sure everything is working as well as it can, ready for my long drive tomorrow. Let's, as long as I get the steering freed up, let's go for a bit of a drive and a bit of a shakedown, ready for my longer drive tomorrow. Right, I remember that these Vauxhall Nova seats that I put in do make it a bit tricky to reach a seatbelt. With it, we are there. Here we go. Luxury on my Morris Minor. Inertia reel seatbelts. There we go. Right. By the way, if you've seen my hoodie, support petrol, not electric, available Etsy store. I'll put a link in the description box below. Doesn't want to. There we go. We're running. Okay, let's take it for a drive and warm her up, and we'll see. I'll go for a bit of a drive, I'll stop somewhere, and then I will talk about the car for those of you who haven't seen it or have forgotten all about my little Morris Minor. So this is Patch, my Morris Minor, bought for £500 a few years ago. I can't remember when it was, 2018, 2019, something like that. Came with a box of bits, which I pretty much used those bits to put this thing back on the road, hence the rat condition of it. I think the only things I paid for was tyres and a brake master cylinder. And yeah, it's just been a proper budget build toy. It's great fun to drive. Like a few of my other cars that I've sold over the past few months, this one I toyed with and then I moved it and went, nah, I can't sell you. Not unless I really have to. So yeah, the plans for this year is to make it a bit more everyday usable, put some more miles on it. I haven't done a lot of miles since I bought it. I think I only did the longest journey, I think, was back from work, which was a 15-mile drive. Other than that, it's just been round town and maybe to the next town along. And yeah, it's been good fun, and I'm looking forward to using it a bit more this year. So I want to put a bit of soundproofing in. It's quite loud on the long run, and I think it would just make it a little bit more usable if it's got a bit of soundproofing in it. Obviously I need my music, I am a musician, I need some music, so I'm going to put in a stereo system, just a basic one, nothing too fancy. The rear lights have been swapped out because I lost a wing in a storm. about 14 months ago, and obviously damaged the light, and it was a lot cheaper to fit some cheap LED lights, and they kind of suit the look of the car, same as the interior. The tatty seats kind of work quite well with the name patch. They may be changed. I did put some MGF seats into my MG Midget, and I am too fat really to drive comfortably in there, so they're going to come back out. The MX-5 seats I had originally are going to go back in it, and those MG seats may well make their way into the Morris. I would love to take you for a drive, but that's going to come in the next video, where I'm going to attempt to drive it to work tomorrow, so wish me luck. And yeah, I suppose I'm just going to leave you with a montage of Morris Minor. Until next time, thanks for watching.